Flowers for the RV park. It's Tiny Tidy Tuesday, and our hostess is Sunday Dawn from the Healthful Home.
Hi, it's Sharon from Sherry's Fairies, and I'd like to welcome you to my channel and welcome any new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. And if you're new here, please subscribe.
And this is a collaboration, and the list will be in my comments. So please watch, everyone.
At my trailer, and I decided I needed to have a few flowers around. Wouldn't be my home if I didn't have some flowers. So we went into Lethbridge yesterday, and I had the planter that I had at home, and I brought it out, and I'm going to give it a paint, and I'm going to plant some of my flowers. The flowers are looking kind of raggedy now in the flower, well, the ones I got from Walmart. I mean, they're good flowers, they're going to grow, but they need a little love. So that's what I'm going to start with. I'm just going to start by giving them a good drink, and then I'm going to cut off anything that's dead or broken and clean them up, and we'll see how they look after that. And then we're going to get busy and paint the planter, line it, and fill it with dirt. So let's get busy. Okay, here's all my plants, and I'm going to give them a drink. This is my nice big jug of water and a little bit of juice. Well, in this pot, I believe we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6 snapdragon mufflers are called. And they need full sun, which they're going to get because this pot here has lots of sun. So I'm gonna cut the dead ones off. And just leave these ones that are kind of sagging, because they might have just needed a good drink. It was kind of drooping when I bought it, so I'm just going to let it sit for a bit and see if it perks up again. Oh, here's a bunch of dead ones. I'll take those off. Okay, I think the rest are looking pretty good. And it's nicely watered, so we'll set it out there in the sun. Can get lots of sun. And I have some plant food when I transplant them. There's my liner, my knee pad. And I just want this little bin to put the spent flowers in. Okay. I have no idea how to say that. Anyhow, it says full sun, so that's good, because this plant is definitely going to get full sun. Doesn't have too many spent flowers on it. Maybe the colors aren't as good because they haven't had good sun and good watering and good food. Same with this one. It ends with mum, so it's some kind of a mum. But I like the little flowers because they're like little daisies. Oops. This one's spent. Okay, that looks good. Yeah, and it got nice water. And at Walmart you could get 4 of these for $12. I thought that was a pretty good buy. Some of those might be new ones. But yeah, they definitely need to be planted. Oh, there's one. Okay, the bees have found them already. There's a big old honeybee. I don't know, I hope you can see that. This one looks like it's in pretty good shape. Let's snip this one off. Whoops, a daisy. Top heavy, so they need to be planted. Yes, I might plant them first. I got 4 packs of petunias, and I'm not sure what they're. See, the birds have been here visiting them. Okay, these were $4.68 each. So you get a 6-pack for $4.68. And I got pretty pink, and I got some white. And this one needs, and with petunias you need to deadhead them. Okay, this one looks good. And this is also a full sun plant. So this is a good thing. These guys look pretty good, except for where the birds have pooped on them. Darn birds. Okay, I'm going to take these guys off. I need to deadhead petunias so they'll keep on blooming. But these petunias all look pretty healthy. Petunias are pretty good hardy plants. So 4 of them, and they're going to trail over. And you got 4 for $12, and they're Bacopa. And they're part sun, so we'll see how they do in all this sunshine. I might have to move them somewhere where they don't get so much sun, but we'll see. It might be okay if the other plants are tall. And I just thought they were so pretty. And you won't have to deadhead these guys. They look pretty good. Yep. Yep. Oh, I think that, oh no. I thought maybe it was broken, but it's not. Yeah. I think they all just needed a good drink of water. And they got that. Okay. There we got the flowers. That's the planter I'm going to paint. Bought it 2 years ago, and now it needs some paint, and I'm going to paint it white and see how that looks. Just shaking up my paint.
You'll have to excuse the noise. It's the rain on the roof of the trailer. It's pouring rain today. Oh well. And in this section of the video, I am painting my planter. And first of all, I did wipe it all down with a damp cloth or a wet cloth and got all the dirt off. And now I'm just going to go ahead and paint. My brush wasn't fitting very good in the paint tin, so in a little while you'll see me leave for a bit, and I'll come back with a paper bowl so I can pour my paint into it. Always something I forget, but get it done anyhow. Okay, got my little paper bowl, and I got that side all painted. So now I'm going to start on the end, I believe. Can't remember.
Hi.
Yeah, I'm going to paint the end of the planter. And I'll just continue painting till the planter's all done. So at this time, I'd like to thank you for watching my video, and I'd like to invite you to subscribe. It is free, and I'd really love to get to my 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, so please subscribe. And if you like this content, give me a big thumbs up and leave me a comment so I can say hello.
And the box, the planter's all painted white all the way around. So next we'll get the dirt and stuff in and plant some flowers. Well, first I'm going to spray it with some...
So I sprayed it with a clear spray to help it be protected.
to protect it from the elements.
Well, I thought I had videoed putting the dirt in, but I looked back at my videos and I did not. I must have been tired and just forgot to do it. Anyhow, I'll show you what it looks like with all the pretty plants now. Okay, got all the flowers planted in the flower box. It's kind of crowded, so hopefully they'll all grow. Lots of purples. Purples, pinks, and whites. And the box is all nicely painted. I think it looks good. Well, that's my tiny tidy for this Tuesday, and it brightens up my deck out at the RV park. I'm really enjoying it. Thanks again for watching. Thank you, Sunday Dawn from the Helpful Home. And we'll see you in my next video. Bye!